All right, so for the past 5 years, I've been making a turducken sausage for Dog Haus restaurants. This year, during the month of November, we're serving a turducken sausage again. $1 from the sales of each one go to benefit No Kid Hungry. I've never actually made an actual turducken, and I've talked about it for years. So today, finally, this is me, my first ever turducken. Warts and all, so anything I mess up, you're gonna see it. This is turducken.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Load it.
Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Turducken. We have turducken in the smoker. A Frankenstein's monster of poultry. Okay, so we are here. We're about to present the final turducken, the final form. So we've cut it, we smoked it for about 9 hours overnight, cooled it down a little bit. And I made this big bag here. And then reheated it in the circulator. Put some juice in here. Oh, that's just gonna be good juice. Save some of that. So, we have the turkey that is stuffed with the duck, that is stuffed with the chicken. In between each layer, we have the bread, mushroom stuffing. We got the cornbread sausage stuffing. And we also have the rice, pumpkin, cranberry. All right, this is the moment of truth. We're gonna cut into this thing and see what happens. Turducken. Wow, not bad. Not bad for a first turducken. Look at that. Honestly, there's even a little pink in that duck breast. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, some of these things served up. There's actually some gravy here. And do you have a tray for anything? This is cranberry mustard. Yes, tray would be great. This was the rest of the Leidenheimer bread that I brought back from New Orleans too.
Well done, Adam.
Thank you.
Yeah, great. Yeah, this is the best turducken I've ever had.
Have you ever had a turducken before?
I have, and it sucked.
Oh, you have?
My uncle made one.
Adam, grab a little slab with that knife and just put it on here.
You want to throw that in the mix?
Yeah, put it in there. Yeah, make sure you get some turkey too. Here you go. There's a little top of the turkey. Get some of the stuff. Get some of the stuff. The best stuff is the kind that's actual stuff.